You're feeling hungry and you want a snack. You can find one at the vending machine. Just put your money in and there it is. People usually buy street and drinks from vending machine, but you can get much more. What do you like to eat for breakfast? Some vending machines have bread and eggs. Do you eat fruit? You can get oranges or bananas too. Is there any food for lunch and dinner in a vending machine? Yes, there is. You can get a burger or you can get chicken and rice. A vending machine can even make a pizza for you. Vending machines have other things too. Socks, jeans, books, even cars. Imagine that.